Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore the most interesting and important topics of our time. In today's video, we're going to be discussing climate change, its impact on the planet, and what we can do to address it. Climate change is a global phenomenon caused by human activities, primarily the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation. The increase in carbon dioxide, other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere traps more heat from the sun, leading to a rise in global temperatures and a range of other climate-related impacts. The impacts of climate change are already being felt around the world. Sea levels are rising, glaciers are melting, and extreme weather events such as hurricanes, floods, and droughts are becoming more frequent and intense. These changes threaten human lives, infrastructure, and natural ecosystems. One of the key impacts of climate change is on the world's oceans. The oceans are becoming warmer and more acidic, which is harming marine life and ecosystems. Coral reefs, which are among the most diverse and productive ecosystems on Earth, are particularly vulnerable. As ocean temperatures continue to rise, coral reefs are being bleached and destroyed at an alarming rate. Another major impact of climate change is on agriculture and food production. Changes in temperature, precipitation, and weather patterns are affecting crop yields, and making it more difficult for farmers to grow crops and raise livestock. This has the potential to lead to food shortages and higher food prices, particularly in developing countries. So, what can we do to address climate change? The most important thing we can do is to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions by transitioning to renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, and by improving energy efficiency in buildings and transportation. We can also support policies that address climate change, such as carbon pricing and regulations on emissions. And we can make changes in our daily lives, such as reducing our energy consumption, eating a more plant-based diet, and using public transportation instead of driving. In conclusion, climate change is one of the most pressing challenges of our time. It is already having significant impacts on the planet and threatens to worsen in the coming decades. But by taking action now, we can mitigate these impacts and create a more sustainable future for ourselves and future generations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest and greatest topics.